Okay. It's happening. LA, Melbourne, London? Okay, London. 2 bags or 3? Definitely 3.
London, baby!
Another episode? Or finish the essay? Okay, focus. Hike, laundry, hike, easy.
So you around for summer or going home?
Would you like to have dim sum or omelette with sausage?